Okay, right, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the importance of feeding your plants. Your hanging baskets, your tubs, which feed to use and when to use it. Stay tuned till the end and I'll tell you when you can put your bedding plants in your garden. Okay, right, I'm just going to do a very quick video on the importance of feeding. Now, I do this every year. So if you do subscribe or you have seen my videos, you'll have seen this already, so click on. It is vital for you to feed your plants if you want to keep your plants looking nice and healthy. So anything in a container. So it's getting to that time of year now, people start thinking about their hanging baskets, thinking about pots, thinking about tubs. Now, if you were to buy an hanging basket or you create your own hanging basket and you didn't feed it at all, literally within about 6 weeks, then plants are going to start suffering. So it's vital that you start feeding. Now, I can make this as complicated or as easy as you like. So for the easy side of it, you just get a nice balanced feed. It's got equal amounts of the NPK, the nitrogen, the potash, the potassium. So basically, nitrogen feeds the leaves, potassium feeds your flowers, potash feeds your roots. Nice and simple. So when you first start out, you get your baskets out, want to bolster the growth, want some nice greenery or nice strong growth on your plants. So feed it with a nice high nitrogen feed. It's got the other elements in, it's still got a bit of potash, still got a bit of phosphate in it, but it's predominantly nitrogen, which is going to bolster your leaf growth, which is exactly what we want. We're not really bothered about pushing them flowers too much because they're flowering anyway, and you can't stop them other than taking the flowers off. Feed this every week. So with your containers, you pretty much want to be watering every day, especially in weather like this, but you want to be feeding once a week. So once we've done 3-4 weeks on the nitrogen, we've bolstered the growth, we've got a nice healthy looking plant starting to thrive, then you change to your potassium feed, your potash feed. Basically, in layman's terms, it's tomato feed. So again, it's got a bit of nitrogen in it, it's got a bit of phosphate in it, but it's predominantly potassium. And that's going to promote your flowers. It's going to darken the colour, and it's going to promote more flowers coming out. Also very useful for your fruits, like your tomatoes and your cucumbers. So in all intents and purposes, it is a tomato feed. Then later on in season, so when it gets to September, starting to get a little cooler, but it's been a long time in that container. These plants are starting to get a little tired. Then we jump back into the nitrogen. Back into nitrogen, bolster that growth again. Again, we're not particularly bothered about feeding them flowers because we've just done that for the last 5 or 6 weeks. We want to bolster its growth again. Not going to stop it from flowering. It's going to continue to flower, but it's just going to give it that little bit of a kick that it needs. And then if you so wish, just right at the back end, running into October, go back to your high potash feed, go back to your tomato feed, just give them flowers one little last push. And if you look after your containers, get them out in your garden in June, they'll run all the way through to October, weather depending. Now again, we always mention don't put your hanging baskets, don't put your bedding plants out until beginning of June. So again, it goes back to that old saying, so never cast a clout until May's out. Nothing to do with the month of May, it's to do with the May blossom. We've got hawthorn hedges just all the way down the side of our nursery, and we have just noticed this morning it's just started flowering. So, do I stake my reputation on it? Do I tell you there's no more frost? This 1st of May, it's a hell of a gamble. I don't put your bedding plants out for heaven's sake till the 1st of June. But I don't think there's going to be a frost now. I think the hawthorn, the May blossoms out. I think we're absolutely fine. And when it's 26, 27 degrees, it seems a little of a stupid thing to say that there could be a frost. Having said that, don't put your plants out till the 1st of June. This is just to see if I'm as good as I think I am. Nitrogen, high nitrogen feed predominantly feeds the leaf. High potassium feed predominantly feeds the fruit and feeds the flower. Phosphorus feed predominantly feeds the roots and encourages new shoots. A little bit of everything. Feeds the fruits, feeds the flowers, feeds the leaves, and also feeds the roots and shoots.